Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome you all to learn Chinese language with Chinese language made easy. I am Muhammad Shahid, and today I will discuss that how one character, Chinese character, can make your life easy in learning the Chinese language in an easier way. So let's just get started with our today's lecture and get to know these interesting ideas. Okay. So if you are a beginner to Chinese language, you might not know the character used for writing head. I'll tell you about that. The character, I'm sorry to say that. Tao, 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 where the second tone means head. Okay, so you have to keep this character in mind, and I will link this character with other Chinese characters, and this way you can remember the Chinese characters for a long time. Head in Urdu means sar. Okay, keep this in mind. Now I'm going to add a stroke with this, and you will see that how the meaning get changed. Like, see, I'm adding this. You see, so this is a heng zhe stroke, and the character for the head remains the same. But here, the pinyin becomes different. How it is? It becomes mai, means to buy. To buy something. In Urdu, khareedna. Okay, khareedna. So let's just add some other strokes or components with it, and you will see that the character for head will remains the same. You see. So this character becomes this, and it means to sell. My, with the fourth tone means farokht karna. Farokht karna, bechna. To sell something. Okay, now let's add something more with that, and you will see that how its meaning gets different. So see that I'm adding in all these characters. You saw that the character for the tao remains the same, but we added some strokes with that. And now you see it becomes tu means to read. In Urdu, mutali'a karna or padna. Okay. So you saw that we just memorized one character for tao and how we understood all the other characters. Now let's just replace this radical for speech and see that what does the character becomes. To carry on, she. Okay, 继续 means to carry on. She, jari rakhna in Urdu, to carry on something. Okay, 继续加油, keep carry on your hard work. 继续加油. So you saw that we just memorize this Chinese character and we learned all these characters, you see? See? So one character made our life easier. Let's just discuss some other interesting facts and interesting things about Chinese language and interesting characters about Chinese language. It will make our life easy. The character used for writing person in Chinese language is 人, 人. So 人 means person. In Urdu it means shakhs. 人, person, shakhs. If this Chinese character is combined with some other strokes, now this becomes 从, 从, 从. 从 with the second tone means to follow. To follow. Okay? So it seems like one person is following the footsteps of the other one. And to follow in Chinese, in Urdu languages, पैरवी करना. पैरवी करना. To follow. Now I'll add something more with that in the form of the strokes of Chinese language, and you will see how it becomes different. This one becomes chong. Chong. Chong means crowd. Crowd. Hujum in Urdu. So you saw that how we added these strokes and these Chinese characters, and it becomes easy for us. That it looks like more than two persons. Okay, more than two persons, so it becomes a crowd. Hujum. You saw? So how one character made our life easier. Now let's just add something more with that. Draw a straight line, which is a hung, stroke hung, and draw the character for writing person. Now it becomes ta. Ta means big, bada. So it looks like a person is stretching out his arms, okay? And in Chinese language, in Urdu language, it becomes big, bada. Okay. So now you can add this with the character run, and it becomes ta ren, and it becomes big person and adult. बालिग जिसे कहते हैं उर्दू में, adult. So you saw that how Chinese language made us easier by the adding of one simple character with it. So this is all for today. I hope that you like this information I give to you in this lecture. We will see each other in next interesting lecture about Chinese language. Till then, see you, 再见.